So this microwave made by GE is, I would say, your standard microwave. There's nothing too special or particular about this. It's got a pretty basic functionality. On the right-hand side, you'll see an option for some express cooking. There are a few different types of convenient cooking, like potatoes or popcorn or things like that. But I'll be honest, I think those are not necessarily the most accurate for those types of foods, at least from my experience. So I ended up just punching in the amount of time in which I like to cook my popcorn because it seems to always sort of undercook it. So not the most accurate, I would say, but all in all, it gets the job done. I've been living in my apartment for a few years now, and I haven't seen any decline in performance. So I guess it just depends on what you're looking for. But if you're in the market for just your standard microwave, then this could be a good option for you.